Hey guys, I just had a really nice, really cool idea for gaining Instagram followers or even any different social network. And I'm just gonna tell you quickly about this section. This section of the page and these kind of videos. Those will be the videos that just the idea just came to my mind, and I've taken the camera out. I mean my phone, and recorded them. So they might be recorded in my office here, or in my workshop, or when I'm on a walk, or whenever, in a car or whatever. So apologies for the voice and for the audio if it's not perfect, and the noise in the background as well. That's my loud computer. Okay, so I was creating this really cool Instagram carousel for one of my brands, the one I will be talking about in the journey. And I started tagging other accounts that were also involved in. I mean, it was nice to tag them because the topic was about them as well. Imagine you can make, let's say, like some sort of collection of photos and tag each author on each slide. So so this is not a super, like, magic trick. This is made very common by different marketers, but I just somehow, like, came out that okay, that might be a good idea for me as well. And the idea is to make special posts, ideally carousels, because they, like, require much more work and not everyone can do them. Maybe there's something different, maybe videos or something. So basically you find an influencer, or let's say your dream 100, one of your dream 100 people has, like five, I don't know, like 100,000 followers, and you want to get in front of his traffic. And you can probably, like, reach out and maybe somehow get to know him, and then, like, get the possibility to be featured on his channel. Or you can also make some sort of post using his let's say content. You create some nice looking carousel or something like this, or video or whatever. Imagine something like this person would like to show on his profile, his or her profile. And you just let them know, like, look, I've got this really cool idea, we can do this and this and this, and you can just use it on your profile, and just mention me in the comments, or I'm gonna mention myself at the end of the video that it was made by blah blah blah. And or you can just make it and send it to them and tell them that, look, I've just made something really cool for you, and do you think there might be a chance that you're gonna publish it and mention about my profile or something like this? This is probably more better for beginners, because when you reach, like, I don't know, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 followers, for me it doesn't really matter how many more followers I have. I mean, obviously the more you have, the other people who come to your channel, they will think that you are, like, a bigger brand and more trustworthy. But anyway, if you have 1,000, for most of the people that's enough. At least, let's say, for me, when I'm looking at some products and I'm finding a page that is like 500, 700 people follow the guy, and there's, like, comments and likes under the posts, I think, like, this is okay, this is legit. And if I see the really nice story on the landing page, and this is even more for me legit. Like, I think, like, okay, that's a cool company. Like, I think that, the visual appeal is alright, the following is alright, they've got nice message on the landing page. I'm about to buy. So this is my quick rant today, and hopefully you're gonna like this kind of videos as well, because the journey videos will show up, you know, once a week or something. But in the meantime, I've got so many ideas in my head, and I'm gonna just share with you without much editing on my side. So they're gonna be like more, you know, open-minded thoughts, thoughts that I'm taking from my head and putting, you know, to camera. By the way, this is a really good idea for brainstorming and getting more precise on what you want from life, on your business. If you talk to camera, talk to, as you can see, if you talk to anyone, you learn as well. You know, when you talk to someone about your topic, you learn again. When you explain someone, you also learn, and you come up with different ideas. Okay, cool. Take care. Thank you for watching. Bye.